See, the sheet's now loaded, and like I've said in previous videos, I try to line the edge of the sheet with the farthest teeth out here. I only go maybe about a ½ inch max, and then like I said, line it up to this tooth, because again, if you go too far this way, it'll try to touch off and it'll hit the X or the Y limit, and then you'll be trying to get that all reset. Alright, you can see part's done, so I have to go and unload all those. There's some finished parts there, so should be good here.